Now here's a very nice example that we need to solve. Suppose I have a file and I want to count how many unique words the file contains. So if I hadn't learned, the sets yet, the way I'd go about this problem is by looping, right? And then keeping an array of words I've seen. So, for example, if the first word is the, uh, I put it here and the word seen, and then my list of unique words would be 1. Then I would come here. If it's and, I'd have to check whether and is here, which is gonna be order n. And then if it's not, I'll place it. And increase the counter to 2. I come here. The world is hello. I have to check whether hello exists in the list. If it does, I don't increase the counter. If it doesn't, I add it. And then I increase the counter. And I have to keep doing that till I finish my document, which means my algorithm runs in order n squared, which is not usually very fast. So, could we make it faster? Could we have a more efficient algorithm? If now I have to loop over every word, so the O(n) that comes from looping over every word cannot be changed. But if there's a way to check whether a word is unique or not in order 1 time or order log time, then my algorithm would be improved. And as a matter of fact, there is. Because if I put my words in a map, I can check whether the map contains a certain word in order 1 time. If I use a hash set, and order log time if I use a tree set. And this hints at a very efficient algorithm that I could implement. So let's go ahead and implement it. Okay, so set. I want to first make a set of strings. And I'm going to call the set words. All right. Then I want to read from a file, right? So I'm going to have a scanner. I'm going to call it input. And it's going to read from a file called pride, which is a few lines taken from Pride and Prejudice that I have on my desktop. Okay, and now I'll have to keep looping. So while input dot has next, because I want to see the words, not the lines. String word is equal to input.next. So I'm letting my scanner loop, and for each word I'm simply adding it to my set. And I wouldn't care if it was already there because sets only have one occurrence of a certain thing by definition. So once my loop finishes, I can simply print out the size of my set. Okay. I don't know why it gave this error, but now it's working. So, although I didn't change anything in it. Okay, so the unique words are 797 unique words. So, this is a very beautiful solution to count the words, um, to count the unique words in a certain file. And this is it for this video.